Did you know that 69% of adults have less than $1,000 in their savings account? Shocking, right? But don't fret, we're here to change that. Welcome to our journey into the enigmatic world of personal finance principles. These principles are the bedrock of financial management, the compass guiding your money decisions, and the lifeline that will prevent you from becoming part of that 69%. Our mission? To delve into these key principles, unravel their mysteries, and arm you with the knowledge to control your financial destiny. So buckle up, gather your calculators, and prepare for a financial wisdom roller coaster. On this thrilling ride, we promise you two things: a better understanding of your money and a good chuckle or two along the way. So, are you ready to revolutionize your wallet? Let's go. Budgeting. Sounds about as exciting as watching paint dry, doesn't it? But what if we told you it's more like a game of chess with your money? Just like in chess, every move you make with your money matters and can either put you in a position of power or leave you in check. Budgeting is the cornerstone of personal finance. It's your game board, giving you a clear view of where your money is coming from, where it's going, and how you can strategically move it to achieve your financial goals. Now, let's talk about the importance tracking expenses. Just like how a chess player keeps track of each move, tracking your expenses helps you understand your spending habits. It's like having a replay of the game, allowing you to analyze and tweak your moves for better outcomes. Here's a practical tip. Categorize your expenses. Each expense category is like a chess piece with a specific role and value. Some pieces, like your basic needs, are more valuable and need to be protected. Others, like discretionary expenses, are less crucial and can be sacrificed for a strategic advantage. Setting realistic limits is another way to win the budgeting game. It's like deciding how many pieces you'll move in each turn. You can't overextend yourself without risking your financial stability. So, set limits that align with your income and savings goals. And remember, just like in chess, consistency is key in budgeting. Keep playing, keep tracking, and keep adjusting. Every move you make takes you one step closer to a checkmate against financial woes. So when you think of budgeting next time, imagine yourself as a grandmaster, making strategic moves with your money, thinking a few steps ahead. Because in the end, it's not just about surviving the game, but about positioning yourself to win. Remember, in the game of budgeting, you're the grandmaster, checkmate to financial woes. And if you're enjoying this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Keep up with us for more financial wisdom. Ever heard of the phrase, save for a rainy day? Well, it's not just about umbrellas, folks. It's about creating a financial safety net for the unexpected. Imagine this: you're hiking on a beautiful trail, and suddenly, you trip over a branch and sprain your ankle. Ouch! Wouldn't it be great if you had a trusty walking stick to lean on? That's what your savings are, your financial walking stick. Now, saving isn't just hoarding every penny under your mattress, it's a strategic move. You're saving for both short-term needs and long-term goals. Short-term could be that fancy espresso machine you've been eyeing, or a much-needed vacation. Long-term, well, that's your dream house, retirement, or your kid's college education. But what about the unexpected? The broken car, the leaky roof, the sprained ankle? That's where your emergency fund steps in. This is your financial safety net, ready to catch you when you fall. It's recommended to have about 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses saved up. A bit daunting, I know, but remember, Rome wasn't built in a day. So how do you start building this financial fort? One brick at a time. You can set up automated transfers from your main account to your savings account. Out of sight, out of mind, right? And before you know it, you'll have a sturdy financial fort. Also, set savings goals. Want that espresso machine by Christmas? Figure out how much you need to save each month. Goals give you a clear path, and who doesn't love the feeling of crossing out a completed goal? So start building your financial fort today, because winter, or any other financial setback, is coming. Debt. The monster that grows 2 more heads each time you cut one off. But fear not, we've got the right sword for you. Picture this: you're in the land of financial management and you're face to face with the beast known as debt. Don't panic. The first step to slaying this beast is understanding how to manage it responsibly. So how do you do this? Well, it's simple. It all starts with a plan. Your plan should be realistic, achievable, and should include a timeline. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day and your debt won't disappear overnight. Next, we introduce 2 powerful weapons to your arsenal: the debt snowball and debt avalanche methods. The debt snowball method involves paying off debts from smallest to largest, regardless of the interest rate. Each time you pay off a debt, you roll that payment into the next one, just like a snowball rolling down a hill. On the other hand, the debt avalanche method involves paying off debts from highest interest rate to lowest. This method can save you more in interest over time, but requires discipline and patience. Both methods have their pros and cons, and the choice between the two depends on your personal situation and temperament. But remember, the goal is not just to repay what you owe, but to do so in a manner that is sustainable and doesn't leave you financially drained. Now, let's shift gears and talk about credit. Good credit is like a shiny armor in the world of finance. It makes you attractive to lenders and can open doors to better borrowing opportunities. But remember, with great credit comes great responsibility. It's not just about getting credit, it's about using it wisely and maintaining it. So, ready to slay the debt hydra? Grab your financial sword and shield and march on. Ever wished for a golden goose? Well, investing might just be your golden goose in disguise. You see, investing is one of the most effective ways to grow your wealth over the long term. It's like planting a seed today and watching it grow into a mighty tree in the future. Now you might be wondering, what should I invest in? Well, the world of investing offers a smorgasbord of options: stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and retirement accounts, just to name a few. Each comes with its own set of risks and rewards. Stocks, for instance, could offer substantial returns, but they can also be quite volatile. Bonds are generally more stable but offer lower returns. Mutual funds offer a balance, allowing you to diversify your investments across a range of assets. And retirement accounts? They're the slow and steady tortoises, reliably growing your wealth over time and offering tax advantages to boot. But how do you choose? It's all about developing an investment strategy that suits your needs. Consider your financial goals, your risk tolerance, and your investment timeline. Are you saving for retirement, a new home, or your child's education? Are you a risk taker, or do you prefer to play it safe? How long can you afford to leave your money invested? These are all important questions to ask yourself when crafting your investment strategy. Remember, the golden goose doesn't lay eggs overnight. Patience, dear friends, patience. Ever heard of the philosopher's stone that turns everything into gold? Well, in the world of finance, education is that stone. Yes, you heard it right. The sixth and perhaps the most crucial principle of personal finance is continuous learning. Now you might wonder, why continuous learning? Well, imagine you're a captain steering your ship in the vast ocean of finance. The winds are ever-changing market trends, the waves are the fluctuating economies, and the stars guiding your way are your financial goals. Without understanding these elements, you're like a captain lost at sea. You see, financial education isn't a one-time event, it's an ongoing process. It's about staying on top of financial news, understanding market trends, and constantly refining your money management skills. And how do you do that? By seeking knowledge through books, courses, podcasts, and reputable financial resources. Remember, financial wisdom isn't about knowing everything. It's about knowing that there's always more to learn, and embracing that journey of learning. It's about turning the complex into the simple, the unknown into the known, and the fear of finance into the joy of financial freedom. So whether you're a newbie investor or a seasoned financial guru, never stop learning. Because the more you learn, the more you realize how much there's still to learn. So don your philosopher's hat and turn your financial world into gold. And hey, before we wrap up, do us a favor. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up button. Want to journey with us on this path of financial wisdom? Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated on our latest videos. Let's turn that financial world into gold together.